Good morning, guys. His name is Kobe-san. Kobe-san, hi.
我的吧。
いいやん。10やろ。7000円や。7000円やってる。
One day, shopping center. Kobe-san, Kobe-san. Ito tonde. More shop to shop. Ako rin kitog na guys, kaya ako rin giubo. Here we got cactus here. Cactus na wala letter C. Okay. Here guys. This is my boy Ricky. We're here in Kobe-san Premium Outlet. Here in Osaka. With our team guys, this is our leather toton, leather na kang hindi na ako ma-press don't have me press, have me off. If you like our fountain guys, you're going to walk around because you need to walk long. So here guys, this is the arigato gozaimasu. Wala pa may tao, wala pa tayo. Okay, wala pa mabay pag-abri. Anong sayuan mo? Muni iyang pangalan guys, Kobe-san nagpingin mo ulit. Here kami pa tao guys. Ay sa'yo kayo mina nga ni. Napapod mi nabili na plants guys. Isag tugnaw kayo, wala pa po sila nahurot. So nanay tao isa guys. Isa pa lang katao. Here in Kobe guys, we are 8 degrees. Pero nami sand. Was that so hot? Ay, no. Not hot. It's still so cold. Lakay isugin sila. Sila nag-cover. Halo mo sila na ulo. Ako pala ang naubo-ubo. So, hinatakay baga guys. Nagsigyon tag-ino kung katong McDonald ba. Ay, size. Namerese. Here guys, nami join our quest. Laka. Tutun, so cold, oy! I don't know if you can see the drone, guys. Kami pati dira guys, limpyuhan di ato asus tingaman tag inaon to paglimpyo. Salamat na lang kayo. Here is our Christmas tree, guys. It's so nice. Not so big and not so tall. Enough love for his environmentalist. Merry Christmas everyone. Hopefully you're fine and thank you. So here we're trying to survive the last day of our event. Christmas time. Siya kon siya sapatos guys, kay mahugaw rin yung sapatos. Iya daw ko anya bitbito na lang gunang sapatos. Ay, santo na ay.
TV di na yun.
I don't know.
Sana. Here, so.
The open one, the one, the password one. The shops guys, kay dili siya tugnaw. Warm siya. Dili na time guys, dili na to ma-appreciate ang sun kay tungod sa katugnaw. So, here we love the sun here para mainitan po dami ang utok na nabugnaw. Merry Christmas everyone! Here in our Versace. Versace na guys. Here's Prada. Ang napoy ba nung guys? Bang mga girls mangita o mga tagkong mga ducks. That one there is a ducks. This area is Russia corner. Diri dapit guys. Diri ang Ferrigamo. And Montclair. And Canada Goose and the Valentino. Our small fountain. Huwag mong wifi nga, dili mo andar. A small playland there. So we're chilling here first guys. Kahit na kayo sa gawas. So kailangan mo mag-order o See the other trees guys na malaya na. It's so pretty. So pretty la. Kasi it's so tugnaw. Ingat least na laya. Tao pa kaya. Anyong. Sir, this for what be? So kung maibot na nimo guys, imuha na. Ibutan na.